I'm in Pensacola, my first time here. Super excited. All I know about Pensacola is that this is some of the most beautiful beaches in the world. But I'm most excited to get to know my winners. Bernard, Madeline, AKA Peanut, and her son Chris. But I've been told to brace myself because Peanut is my #1 fan. Do you need a minute?
Hi, David.
Hi, gorgeous. How are you?
I'm starstruck.
Oh.
You're so little and adorable.
How are you, Madeline?
I'm great. How are you?
I'm doing good.
It's us.
Are you excited?
Can you get us a house?
Let's go. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. I don't think you need any caffeine, do you?
No, I don't
She
need
doesn't
caffeine.
need caffeine. Nope.
Here we go. Can you believe?
We are so excited.
Okay, are you excited? I don't think you're as excited
No,
as your
he
wife.
is.
Yeah.
I'm excited. I just don't show it like she does. He's definitely excited.
I've been a fan of the show for 8 years.
Yeah.
So when he won,
So you won.
$20 scratch off.
Love that little scratcher moment.
$5 million. $5 million.
I'm still thankful.
That's insane.
I'm still thankful.
Yeah.
So what was life like before the 5 million?
We struggled in the past, but we kept helping. We are giveaways. We people that stretch out to our community that say, hey, if I got a bowl of rice for everybody, okay? We were in food lines. So being able to go to the grocery store and we can buy somebody some food, there's nothing like it. You know, there's nothing like it.
Yeah. What's it like to see your mom emotional like this?
I would say a burden lifted off of me when they won the lottery. Just to see her happy like this is just amazing to me. You know?
Amazing.
Yes.
Well, you guys are givers.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're gonna do a little taking, right? We're gonna take care of ourselves, and it's really hard for you to even say those words. But we're gonna embrace that. Tell me what you need, what you
need,
want.
baby. Him first.
Okay.
He the boss.
Ooh, love it.
Well, I do all the cooking.
Yes.
I love
So-
this.
I want a nice kitchen.
Absolutely.
3 bedrooms, 2 baths.
Yeah. And I want a yard. I want to see all my kids play. Just play.
Love it.
Run in the yard, and we don't require much.
Okay. How much money you get of me?
Our budget is around $350,000.
Okay.
$350.
Are we paying cash for it?
Yes.
Yeah, we are.
We ready.
You're ready?
We're ready.
Should we seal this with a hug? Let's come on, get all up in it. Milton is one of the oldest towns in Florida, but there are a lot of newer builds I think Madeline and Bernie are going to love. Regatta Ridge is a great home to start with, great neighborhood, mature landscaping. It's on almost a half an acre, and the price. They said $350, I'm gonna do $300.
Hey, David.
Hey, girl, You're just a ball of energy.
I know.
She
Can you
is.
guys keep up?
No.
No.
I love this house for you guys. It's 2 years old, barely been lived in.
Okay.
Let me tell you about Regatta Ridge. It's got 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. Has almost 1,350 square feet.
Excellent.
You ready for the price?
Yes.
$300,000. You're welcome. Let's go see this beauty. Come on. Come on. I know, I didn't even get up to your 350.
Oh, wow.
All right, my darlings, are you ready for this?
We're ready. And we're coming in.
Come on in. Oh, she's going right for the kitchen.
Nice. This is a big kitchen.
Good.
And especially compared to what we have now.
What do you have now?
A box.
We have a kitchen, but it's like,
This size.
yeah, it's not big at all. I love the color of the cabinets.
Good.
I would like something
I even like the
lighter, but-
countertop being bright, you know.
The counters can absolutely be upgraded. You know, this is where we could put like a quartz or put a granite. This is a good way to invest in the property because stone always does better.
I like
Good.
that.
All right, we have a Bernie-approved kitchen. That's all we need.
Yes, yes.
Yes, absolutely.
Come on, Bernard the bear. So, main bedroom. What do you think?
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Beautiful. It's got an.
Do you want to get in there?
Yes.
Do you guys have it on? You guys don't have it ensuite right now, do you?
We barely have a bathroom.
That thing
We
is
got
so
a toilet
small.
and a tub, okay? This is nice. This is nice.
Will this be a first ever that you had an ensuite?
Yeah. Yeah.
There is not one, but 2 en-suites in this house. Perfect for the constant stream of guests that will be staying with them. And if they run out of room inside, there's always out here. Look how big this yard is.
Nice.
Isn't this great?
Beautiful.
Big, huge
no,
trees.
Christopher, you can't get no pool. No.
I can tell you guys like the property.
We do.
Right.
We
Any
do.
notes for tomorrow?
Something newer, a new
Want to see
construction.
brand new construction?
Yeah.
How about not even
Brand
built
new.
yet? Something you can design.
If he likes it, we going. I want him to be happy.
I love that. We are in the Panhandle, and I'm showing them a beautiful house in a brand new community. Pablo Creek is a model home in Pace, because Pace is the place. Like all new developments, there's a few different floor plans, which means a few different options when it comes to pricing. And let me tell you, this house makes you feel like a millionaire. Yes, yes, yes. Hi.
You. Oh. Can I get that?
You can get that, because you know what? You got the money to buy your own clothes. Yes, yes. Is it weird to think that you guys are multi-millionaires? Come on, Mr. Bernard.
Still hasn't sunk in yet.
Now, having said that, you guys are looking for a house.
Yes.
We are.
Here we're looking at something brand new. We're looking at a model, and this particular one, Pablo Creek, has 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, about 2,200 square feet, goes about $355. And there's so many different floor plans. You get to pick your finishes, but I can tell you, this is stunning. You ready, Mr. Bernard?
I'm ready. I'm ready.
Miss Peanut. Shall we get into it?
Yes.
Here we go. Come on in, my cutie pies.
Wow.
Mm.
Oh.
Oh, the ceiling.
Open
Oh
concept.
my goodness, baby.
Yes.
Beautiful kitchen.
Oh, wow, look at that.
Pretty.
Stainless steel dishwasher.
Yes.
Mr. Bernard, no more washing dishes for you.
That's right.
Can you
Yes,
cook
sir.
in here, baby?
Oh, yeah.
Yes, I could. Take my stuff out, put it here, close it up. I can turn around that way, or I could turn around this way.
And this is the countertops I was talking about putting into the house yesterday with the quartz. This is indestructible. You don't have to put anything down when you lay a hot plate on here. And will be perfectly delicious.
Like that.
Yeah. Should we go look at the main bedroom?
Yes.
Yeah,
please.
it's pretty spectacular. Come on, Peanut, Mr. Bernard.
Wow. Is that a king-size bed?
That's a king-size bed.
Wow.
You guys don't have a king-size bed?
No.
Oh,
They
okay.
all queens.
So what we're gonna do, now that we have $5 million, is we're gonna invest in a king-size bed.
There you go.
It will change your world.
That's an ensuite, David.
Do you want to get into it?
I love bathroom.
I know you.
Ensuite.
This is all yours. Get all up in it.
Super nice.
Really nice.
Super nice.
Are we gonna fight over the sink?
No, that's my side. That's your side, because I'm right-handed. Look at the shower. So the shower. Look at this. Look at that.
Yes, I see you.
Come on, baby. Come on. Come
Bernard
on.
can fit in
Come
there.
on, baby. Come on. Come on.
Oh,
Chris,
no.
close your eyes.
Oh, help us, Jesus. Oh, no.
Don't worry, Chris. The guest bathroom is all the way over on the other side of the house. And there are 3 absolutely stunning bedrooms over here, too. That, of course, are all customizable. Our 4th bedroom.
Nice. I like the different color in here.
That's why I love coming into model homes, because the designers are really good, so it's always great to have ideas. Look at this beautiful lanai.
A lanai.
A lanai.
wow.
Exactly.
Beautiful.
This is amazing.
They have my coffee in
Yes,
the morning.
Yeah.
please. So you see the property.
Yes.
Yes.
It's quite a bit smaller than Regana Ridge.
I'm fine with that. Less for me to maintain.
Absolutely. There is a 4 to 6 month wait list if you want to custom design anything. Is it worth the wait?
It would be, yes. Yes.
But you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna find something move-in ready for you guys. Back in Milton today at Tango Wood Trail, it's an amazing house. It's our first 2-story. And as much as they're going to entertain, there is first floor living for them, and then all their guests can go right upstairs, and so they can have a little quiet, a little peace all to themselves. Hello, hello.
Hey, David.
Look how cute you guys are.
He's even holding my head.
So let me tell you a little bit about the house. Tango Wood Trail has 3 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms, plus a bonus room, which is wonderful. It's 1,880 square feet. Please don't freak out on the price. $388,000. But there's lots of room to negotiate, so don't you worry, Mr. Bernard. Don't you worry, I got you covered.
Okay.
Are we ready, family?
We're ready.
Here we go. All right, my darlings, come on in.
Wow.
This is nice.
Nice. Like the area, like how comfortable it looks, homey and
Very
like
homey.
home.
Yeah. See what's happening here?
Ah.
What do you think, baby?
Stainless steel.
Yeah.
Stainless steel.
Granite countertops. I like these
This right
countertops
here?
a lot.
This is our first natural stone
Yes.
that we've seen.
Nice.
I like that it's plain.
Yeah, you know, when you do have something in the island, it becomes more cluttered because if
Yeah.
there's a sink, then the dishes pile up.
And then when they bring in the food, because we cook a lot, we eat a lot, we
Yeah.
have a lot of family gatherings, we just spread it out, and then we can watch TV and
Yeah. I want to take you to the main bedroom because you have your own private lanai.
nice.
Yeah, that's what it's all about, right?
Yeah, that's
Nice.
We have a pantry here, which is a door.
Nice.
Come on in, my darlings.
Wow. I like the ceiling fan.
See, I know you love your
I
ceiling.
love ceiling
High
fans.
ceilings for you, Mr. Bernard.
That's right. So I don't feel boxed in.
Yeah, you can't touch it. Yeah.
This is first floor living, so of course the main bedroom has an amazing ensuite. And for some real privacy, Mr. Bernard can unwind out here.
Oh, wow. Oh, look. Oh, yes.
Nice.
This is
This
amazing.
is nice.
Now, does it bug you that it's not attached to, like, the public side of the house?
No, this is for me to enjoy.
Amen.
Let them deal with the sun and the mosquitoes. But I want to enjoy my space.
Good for you. The guests have the entire upstairs. Come on, my darlings.
There are 2 big bedrooms separated by a shared bathroom.
Double sinks.
Double sinks. Oh, I love the lighting.
Yes, that's beautiful.
And if they need more space, there's an extra bonus room that could be an office or an extra bedroom.
This is perfect.
And this.
Wow.
Beautiful.
So a lot about private moments here with
Right.
this
Right,
house.
it's enough room. That's why we're looking for some space to share the love.
Yeah.
You know.
One of these houses your dream home?
Yes.
Your dream forever home? What do you guys, when you guys have a decision, just give me a call.
We will.
We'll chat.
Appreciate you. We really do. We really
So
do.
cute. Let's get out of here. Let's talk about these houses. Regatta Ridge.
I like that it's 3 bedrooms,
Yeah.
3 baths.
Yeah.
Nice kitchen, which was high on my priority
What was
list.
it was the biggest on your priority list?
And then a big, giant, huge lanai.
It was a good size. It was my favorite
It's nice.
size of lot,
It's
for
really,
sure.
It's really
Nice.
pretty.
So Ms. Pina, her only request was she wanted to see something brand new.
Yeah.
And so we took you over to Pablo Creek.
Yes, beautiful. Love
Yes.
the main bedroom. Love the main bathroom. Oh my goodness, that was beautiful.
So good.
Beautiful. The open concept. He was so comfortable in that kitchen.
White cabinets. That
Effortless.
Yeah.
I know the lots were a little smaller,
Yes.
and you'd have to wait a possible 4 to 6 months. And then we saw a house that kind of had a little bit of both. Tango Wood Trail. It had first floor living, which was really nice.
And then it had its own private lanai off from the bedroom.
So
Yeah.
nice.
There was a
Super
lot I could do
nice.
with that to make it me.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know. The second floor is where I can put everybody else and let them leave me
That's
alone.
what I was thinking. But it is at the top of your price range. What's the deal?
I think we want to go with Regatta is the better place for us.
I love that. The yard is perfect for your ginormous families.
The
Yes.
kids can be out there doing their thing, and I
Yep.
can be in my kitchen doing my thing.
Exactly.
And not be bothered by any of them.
I'm so happy for
appreciate
you guys.
helping us. We really
Are
do.
you kidding me? This has been such an honor.
We want to give this to you, David, because we love you. So everything in there is made
So
in Pensacola. We want to invite you back anytime.
Pensacola. Now, if you want to buy more houses,
Yay!
maybe a vacation home in the mountains where I can use it. Yeah, there we go.
Oh, see? You done moved on in.
I chose this place because of the location. We had the family in mind.
Sis!
I have my kitchen that I wanted.
Hey, Bernard.
Hey, sis.
It's your favorite sister. Oh, out of the way. I'm trying to decorate here.
Wait, hold on. And
Okay, hold on.
I'm cooking my specialty today. So I wanna get in there and enjoy it.
Let me taste that.
Hey,
Let me see. Did you do it the way Mama taught us?
Get out.
Where's the honey at?
Let everybody else go out in the back so I can have my peace and quiet. Get a donut, go to the lanai, and enjoy yourself. Let me do what I gotta do. Thank you. It's just real enjoyable to be able to have people over.
Yeah.
It's got a nice yard. It's completely fenced in for privacy. Blast the stereo and see music's the whole neighborhood.
Come on, I'll give you.
I don't know how to do that, and I don't complain because it's enjoyable.
You know, we lived in a box, and our family still came over, but now the box is bigger. It's a blessing.
Then you grew with it, Bernard. You grew with it.
David, your dedication to helping us find something that we love. We appreciate you more than you know.
Ditto.
Ditto.
Ditto.